What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we're doing an autumn H&M haul, which I'm so excited about. As we're now in September, even though the UK weather is kind of just playing tricks on us, making it feel like it's summer again, it is very, very close to actually being real autumn. And autumn, I don't know about you guys, but for me, it's my favorite time of year for fashion. I just love layering up and I just love the different colors and patterns. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what is new in at none other than H&M. If you guys want to see what outfits I picked up this time around, then without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so as soon as I stepped into H&M, my local one, I saw this blazer, which I instantly fell in love with. I'm a sucker for a blazer, especially in this like tiny doghound kind of pattern. Can you imagine this with like a really nice brown turtleneck? Oh my gosh. It just gives me all the like autumnal coffee shop date kind of vibes. So first things first, it's got shoulder padding inside, which is making the blazer quite structural. This is what the pattern looks like up close, and this blazer was $37.99, which I feel like isn't too bad. It's definitely cheaper pricing than like Zara, so I'm okay with that. Now, as if the blazer on its own wasn't perfect enough, it also came with a matching skirt, which I'm so obsessed with because I just love a little co-ord moment. These two items is like the perfect autumn outfit, especially with like a brown, like darker brown kind of top. I feel like this top would go so well with this. However, I did pick up a little like slinky turtleneck to go underneath the blazer, and here it is. It's made of like a super light nude, kind of almost champagne color. Because the fabric is satin, it almost has like a little glisten to it, which I really, really like. This top once again has shoulder pads inside. The neckline is very like low, sort of high neck. It's not like a full-on turtleneck that's just gonna swallow your neck whole. And then it's got a long sleeve. It's kind of like ruched, which I really love. So I guess let's try all of these on together and see how it looks. All right guys, so here is the first outfit and what it looks like on. Honestly, I am obsessed with it. It's like the perfect smart casual kind of outfit for autumn. I just love all the autumnal vibes with this color scheme. The pattern is amazing, and also the quality of the blazer is so nice. Like, it's very structured and very rigid, which I like in a blazer. It's got the shoulder padding, and yeah, it just looks really put together. I feel like I could wear and style this outfit in so many different ways. You totally don't have to wear the matching skirt with the blazer, but I feel like it just looks really nice. Also, the little top underneath is so comfortable. It's very like slinky. The fabric is really soft and stretchy, and as you can see, the skirt underneath is very snatched in the waist. It's super tailored to the body, and at the same time it's not too short. It's literally like the perfect length. So yeah, this first outfit is definitely a little bit of me. I'm literally gonna give this a 10 out of 10. I cannot fault it. Look how cute it is. Moving right along to the next outfit, we're first starting out with the top half. As soon as I saw this, I just knew I had to get it. It's basically a very low scoop necked but squared off kind of neckline on this super gorgeous thin kind of sweater. I feel like it's not often that you get a sweater that has like a really nice neckline and isn't just like all the way up here. So I feel like this would be a really nice addition to my autumnal wardrobe, especially pairing it with like a nice pair of jeans. I absolutely love the sleeve. It's kind of like cinched in right here, and it kind of has like a flowy bell sort of shape to it. This is from their recycled range, and this top was only $18.99, so I feel like that's pretty good. This kind of piece is perfect for layering because it's quite thin. You can get away with like putting things over the top. To go with the sweater, I thought I would treat myself to a new pair of jeans because a lot of the jeans that I have in my wardrobe are not my size anymore. I feel like I've grown out of them. I feel like a good pair of jeans is hard to find, but when you do, it is definitely worth keeping in your life because it is just such a staple in everybody's wardrobe. So when I found these, I was obsessed. I absolutely love the light wash color. They're very like relaxed, but not too baggy, if that makes sense. These are called the wide high waist full length jeans, and how much were these? They unfortunately don't have their price tag, but I'm pretty sure these would have been like 20 pounds or under. These are called the wide high waist jeans, and I just love the look of them, so I feel like they'll go perfectly with the sweater. And to go over the top, I think I found the perfect long coat of my dreams. It is this right here. I'm sorry, but is this not sheer perfection? Look at this lapel. I honestly, it's just perfect. It's got a long sleeve. It's literally just like your typical long jacket, but I just love the color. This is 100% recycled polyester, and this was $54.99, which is a bit pricey, but it is a really decent quality jacket. The only thing it doesn't have is buttons. It actually only gets fastened by the belt in the back, but that's not really too big of a deal for me. I feel like this outfit is going to be very like model of duty, Gigi Hadid kind of vibes, so let's go pop it on and see how it looks. Okay, this outfit is honestly so Gigi Hadid and like model of duty. I'm obsessed with it. Immediately, this is a 10 out of 10. I'm just putting it right out there, but honestly, the coat is perfect. As you can see, it's quite a long coat. It has like a really nice slit on either side. Even though it doesn't have buttons, it's not really an issue for me because you can do it up with the belt, and honestly, that's good enough for me. I feel like it looks so cute just like this, but obviously I like to wear it open so you can show the rest of the fit. If we take the jacket off, this is what the underneath looks like. The actual like jumper slash top is very, very cozy. It's definitely a really cozy jumper, but it's much thinner than like your typical knitted jumper, if that makes sense. So this is definitely perfect for layering and for those days where it's not like super hot, because sometimes you can wear a knitted jumper in autumn and it ends up being like really nice and sunny and then you're drenched in sweat the whole day. So this is like a nice in between. Now the jeans are literally perfect. As soon as I put them on, I just felt like they snatched me in the waist. They're so nicely fitted in the hips. Like, look how flattering that looks on the butt. But then they are super relaxed on the bottom. As you can see, they're quite like loose fitted, which I like. So yeah, this is like my perfect autumn kind of outfit to go shopping in or whatever. Honestly, I'm obsessed. I'm giving this whole outfit a 10 out of 10. Now moving on to the next outfit. This one is a little bit more like out of my comfort zone. First up, we have the crop top, which is so freaking stunning. It's kind of like a baggy, boxy sort of fit. It has these like cinching in sort of strings right here, so you can make it like puffed up. I don't know, I felt like it's just not something I normally go for, but this one was $12.99, so pretty inexpensive. And to go with the top, I picked up this stunning pair of faux leather trousers. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like a pair of faux leather trousers is just an unspoken staple in like a fall/autumn kind of wardrobe. These look like they'll be super cinched in the waist. They go all the way down to the ground and they are pretty relaxed. So these were $24.99. I love the look of them and I feel like it will pair so well with the top. All right, so here is the next one. I have to say, I am really feeling the heat in this one because as I'm filming it, today just happened to be a really hot summer's day for some reason. I was convinced it was the end of summer in the UK, but all of a sudden we have like a mini heat wave and I'm literally sweating in this outfit. The top is absolutely fine, but the trousers, because they're made of faux leather, they really lock and trap your body heat in, which I suppose is a bit of a problem right now. But for autumn and the slightly colder days that are probably going to come up very, very quickly, I feel like these will be perfect. First things first, the top is definitely something very different for me. I normally don't like wear boxy kind of fit sort of tops, but I really liked the fact that you could cinch it in the sides as much as you like. And with a really cute little necklace, I feel like it's actually quite a dainty little top, so I like it. As for the faux leather trousers, like I said, they are definitely very warm, but they are also so snatched in the waist. I mean, look at this fit. Like, even though they're baggy, they actually fit really nicely around the bottom and the waist. They do go all the way down to the ground, but they're really good length. I feel like with a nice chunky pair of like trainers, they would give me the height and they would sit above ground. So yeah, this is definitely a bit different for me, all black, but I actually really like it. I'm gonna give this outfit like a 9 out of 10. Now for this next outfit, we're breaking a little bit out of the traditional color scheme for like autumn outfits. Obviously the neutrals, the browns, the blacks. This time we have a really adorable pair of cargo pants, which are actually made in this super gorgeous like powdery pink kind of color. Honestly, it's not often that I see cargo pants in this color, so I just snatched them right up. I just really like the contrast between the super girly powdery pink kind of color and then them being like quite a masculine pair of cargo trousers, which is really cool. So yeah, these have some really nice pockets on the sides, which are actually functional. They have pockets in the back and they also have pockets in the front, which is perfect. I feel like you're not gonna run out of pocket space. Honestly, that's why I love cargo trousers. They're just so useful. Like, I have things to put in my pockets, all right? These were $19.99 and they actually had these in 2 different colors. They had them in this, but also in like a white color. color. Now to lean into the girliness of the trousers being pink, I picked up this really adorable cami top. It has this really nice dainty kind of lace, and the straps on this are actually adjustable, which is amazing. The fabric on this is super soft. It was made of 63% recycled polyester, and this top was only $9.99, so I feel like that's quite a steal. Depending on weather, you could obviously wear it just like that. However, I did also pick up another jacket to go over the top. I picked up this cargo utility kind of jacket, which I think is actually supposed to match the trousers. However, I obviously got them from two different colorways. This one is technically supposed to match the white version of the cargo trousers, but I actually really like the mix and match. So as you can see, it's a pretty relaxed kind of fit on the jacket. It's got like buttons that are kind of hidden. It's got all the utility and cargo pockets. It actually has two pockets on either side, which is so cool. So yeah, I felt like this jacket would definitely fit the vibe of this outfit. This was a $49.99, which is kind of expensive for what this jacket is, especially because the fabric is quite thin. It's almost made of like a really light cotton canvas kind of fabric. But regardless, let's go pop this whole outfit on and see how it looks. All right, and here is the next outfit. This is what it looks like on. I actually am obsessed with it. It's actually very different to what I would normally wear. It's very much like cargo utility kind of vibes. I feel like with this outfit, it's kind of done in like a girlier way, just because of like the color choice. Also because of this really cute cami top with like the lace trim. I feel like it just adds like a girly kind of edge to it. First things first, the top is so nice. It's very, very soft. And I like the fact that you can adjust the straps on it. We're then moving on to the jacket. The jacket is super cozy and oversized. It has so many pockets, and I really like these like dangly pieces. I feel like it just gives it that utility vibe. It's also like the perfect color. You guys know I'm obsessed with these sorts of tones. And lastly, for the cargo trousers themselves, this is what they look like. They go all the way down to the ground. I just love the pockets on the side. They just look very badass and like relaxed, but in a girly way again. So I'm a big fan of these. As you can see, they're really well fitted in the waist, but then they're super baggy and relaxed on the bottom. So I'm really liking it. I feel like I finally found the perfect pair of cargo trousers, and to make it even better, they actually had it in this color too, like the color of the jacket. So if I got those, this totally would have been like matchy. So on the scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this outfit a 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed. All right guys, so that was it for today's H&M autumn haul. I honestly had so much fun trying out these outfits. Let me know which one of them was your favorite. I feel like my favorite outfit is either the first one or the second one. I just absolutely love the color scheme of them. They're very like my comfort zone, but still just really nice and autumn themed. I feel like they're definitely very my comfort zone, but also just really put together for autumn, and they just look cute. Let me know if you guys want any more autumn outfit ideas in any future videos. I would love to do some more. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. But that is all from me. Thanks so much for watching and being here, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.